This short video will take you through how to book train tickets on Trainline. Once on the login screen, enter your email address. Then enter your password and click Login. Enter where you would like to travel from. You will notice as you type the name of the location you want to travel from, a drop-down will appear with relevant options. Select the one that you want. Enter where you would like to travel to. Again, you will notice as you type the name of the location you want to travel to, a drop-down will appear with relevant options. If this is a mainline train station, you type the name of the station. Whereas if you would like to travel to London and include underground travel, you will need to type in London Underground and the underground zone you wish to travel within. Enter the date you would like to travel out. This will default to today's date. You will notice you also have two shortcut options to enter today or tomorrow's date. Clicking on either will automatically enter the relevant date. Otherwise, click in the date box and a calendar will appear, enabling you to pick any date. To narrow your search down, you can then select from two travel time options. The drop-down will enable you to pick from two options: leave after, arrive before. Once you have selected one of these options, then enter a relevant time using the hour and minute drop-downs. If you are only requiring a one-way ticket, select the one-way tick box. You will then need to select whether you would like an open return ticket. This should be selected when you are not sure of the date you will be returning. Otherwise, enter the return date. You will notice you have two shortcut options to enter same day or next day. Clicking on either will automatically enter the relevant date. Otherwise, click in the return date box to reveal a calendar to select a date of your choosing. To narrow your search down, you can then select from two travel time options. The drop-down will enable you to pick from two options: leave after, arrive before. Once you have selected one of these options, then enter a relevant time using the hour and minute drop-downs. Then select the number of adults and children who will be travelling. If you or the traveller you were booking for has a rail card that could be used to reduce the cost of travel, click the rail card option. Clicking this option will then present a drop-down with types of rail cards. Select the relevant one and then select the number of rail cards of this type. To add the rail card, click Add Rail Card. This will then give you the option to add a different type of rail card if you're making a booking for more than one traveller who holds a type of rail card. In this instance, the traveller does not have a rail card. Click Get Times and Tickets. All ticket options will be displayed that are relevant to the search criteria you entered. For both the out and return options, you are able to select the earlier and/or later buttons to show you more options. In the top table, you will see information for purchasing single tickets for outbound and return. The following information will also be displayed: departure time, arrival time, duration of the journey, and numbers of changes. If there are changes, you can click on the number of changes and a new screen will pop up that provides you with information about the changes. Under the calling points link, you will also be able to view the stations that the train will be stopping at. In the table at the bottom of the screen, you will see other available options for return tickets with one overall price for outbound and return. You should select the most suitable ticket option for your journey, ensuring you note any restrictions on travel times. Once selected, click the Continue button. You may be asked for a reason why you have not selected the cheapest option. In this case, it is because you need to have underground travel included. Select the relevant option from the drop-down and then click Continue and Decline Savings. The travel options screen will then be displayed. Enter your surname, or if you are booking for someone else, their surname, and click Search. You will see a number of Anchor Hanover colleagues listed who have the same surname as the one entered. Select the relevant person from the list. You will need to select a lead passenger against the traveller who will be receiving the tickets. If there is only one traveller, this still needs to be selected. You may see other options on this screen to add tickets for other linked travel. You can then click Add another journey if you are making more than one booking, and if this is the only journey, click Continue. If there is enough time before you are travelling, you will be provided with two options to receive your tickets. The first is self-service ticket machine. If your journey is in the next few days, this will be your only option. You should note that you will need a payment card in the traveller's name and your collection reference to enable you to pick tickets up from a station of your choosing. Payment will not be taken from your personal card, as the booking will be made on the Anchor Hanover account. Your card is needed purely to identify you as the traveller. If you select this option, you will need to select the station you would like to collect the tickets from, although this will default to your outbound station for the journey you are booking. This is the recommended option for Anchor Hanover colleagues as it incurs less additional cost. However, if your outbound station does not have the ability to pick up tickets, you may need to select the option to have them delivered by first-class post. Please note you will only have this option available if there is sufficient time for your tickets to be posted prior to your journey. You will be able to choose to have your tickets posted to your home or office address. If you select this option, you will see fields to enter the address that you would like your tickets posted to. Note that this will default to the Anchor Hanover Bradford office address and will need to be changed if this is not suitable for you. Enter the postcode and click Search. Then select the address from those listed, or if only one option is available, this will automatically complete. Click Continue. A summary of your booking will be displayed. Review and check that all the details are showing correctly. Click Proceed to Payment. On the next screen, enter your payroll number. This will be your 8-digit payroll number. Enter the relevant cost centre for the cost of travel to be allocated to. This will be the new Anchor Hanover cost centres that can be found on HNet. You do not need to enter a project code. Click Continue. The payment details screen will then be displayed. You'll need to review the email addresses for confirmation purposes. If you would like another person to receive confirmation, you'll need to click on the Add Recipient button and add in the additional email address in the field provided. Click Buy Tickets. You'll then see confirmation that the booking has successfully been processed. Your booking reference number will be shown at the top of the screen, which you will need if you have selected to pick your tickets up from the self-service machine or ticket desk at your chosen station. You'll be able to print this screen. However, email confirmation will be sent to the traveller and any additional recipients you added. You have now successfully booked train tickets via Trainline.